Hey, it's Jeff Lang. Today, I want to reach out to everybody in the United States here. So this is not a local video like I often do. This is good for anybody in the US, and it's really good for somebody who may not even really be thinking about selling your home right now. So I'm going to introduce you to this tool called Make Me Sell. It's a fantastic opportunity, both for buyers to see more inventory and for you to promote a house that you might sell if you got your fantasy price. So the best way to explain this is actually just to dive in, and let me just demonstrate this for you. So if I'm searching for a buyer, and right now, as you're all hearing, there is more inventory on the market than there has been for a while, but it's not where we'd like it to be. And so buyers have more choices, but a lot of them are not having enough choice or finding the kind of homes that we want. So as somebody who will represent buyers, I want to give them as many opportunities as possible and find anything for them to look at. So if I'm coming here and looking for homes that are coming soon or active on the market in Burlingame, California, which is a town of only about 30,000 people, and we're just going to look at single family homes for now. So you can see that we have 18 active listings on the market. We have 6 coming soon. And then we have this other tab, forget the number in here, but when we go in and we have the Make Me Sell price, we look at who's actually put in their price. So if I know my buyer's got a budget, say up to $4 million, I'll look at these properties, but let's just look at one in particular. So this is $4 million. And as you see, there's no information about the property. There's no information about the seller. And so I'll just click this property ID. I'll look to see if it's around the size of the home that my clients are looking for. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, 2,600 square feet on a large lot. Yep, it absolutely is. So then I have an agent that I can reach out to directly. So this is only between Compass agents. So nobody in the market will be contacting you. I will be your point person. So what happens is if you were to put in your property information and price, let's say you thought you could get 3.5 or 3.7 for your home, but if somebody offered you $4 million, you would now be a seller. This is the opportunity for that. So let's say you're this client. Somebody would then reach out to me and say, hey, I have a client that might be interested in your property. Can we come take a look? I'll reach out to you. We'll have a talk. Hey, do you really want someone coming to look at your house? Would you consider selling it around this $4 million price? If so, let's make it happen. So it's a great opportunity for you to expose your house to, that kind of fantasy price that you've been hoping for. And it's also a chance to provide some additional information and inventory to buyers who are trying to find the right property right now. So if you have an interest, and I suggest it's kind of a no-lose situation, so just shoot me your address and then what that Make Me Sell price would be for you. I'll enter it in the system. It'll come through anonymously to all the Compass agents around the country. And then if somebody's interested, they'll contact me and I'll reach out to you. Thanks. I look forward to talking to you soon.